Make a cake with me. We're gonna need 2 spoons of flour. Okay. It would be 2 eggs, but since it's a small cake, we're gonna do 1 egg. And yes, it can be all-purpose flour. Okay, let's crack this. Okay. Now. Okay, now we mix it. And I'm gonna see if I have any vanilla extract. If I don't, that's fine. Oh my goodness, I meant some cinnamon. But I don't know how to really scrape the cinnamon. But I do want cinnamon, so that's some. Yeah, I was only a little bit cinnamon, but oh well. Cinnamon. Yeah, guys, there's only a little bit of cinnamon. We don't want. Oh, dang it. Now what do I do? I'll grab my spatula. Or we just use my spoon to scrape it. Done. Now we gotta mix it real well. I only put a little bit of chocolate because I don't want too much chocolate. I mixed it. I put some more flour because it was too baggy. Now let's add some milk. Okay, we got some milk. Wait, is it? It's not expired. Okay, we're good. What do you want? About there. And then you can put sugar. You can put sugar if you want some. But it's not really needed, you know? But I think I'm gonna put sugar because I want some. Only a little bit. Okay. And now we mix. And now we got a pan and we're gonna put it inside the pan so that it'll be easier to bake. But I think I'm gonna put some more milk into this. I'll be right back. Because if it's too tough, you know, it's too tough. It can't be too tough. Okay. Now we go like this, and then when you mix it, very good. Then once you mix it completely, put it in the pan. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, we got cake batter. Now I'm just gonna scoop it into the mold. You want to put as much as you can inside. If not, you're just wasting some batter. Okay. And this is microwaveable. So you don't have to use an oven for this. I mean, but you can probably. You could probably. Okay. I could have definitely made more batter, of course, but it's fine. Just gonna scoop as much as I can from the edges. There you go. Now we're gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, stop. Mimo, it's not masuk. Wait, let me just look like they snatched it. Three, two, one. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. But that's what you can do, guys. Bye, guys. Oh, and you can also add sprinkles.